Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're back again. Still in our boxes. Yeah, that's fine. It is Valentine's Day. My Valentine? Who else would it be? Yeah, exactly. It's you. Hello. Hi. Hi. Um, wait, what's today? Valentine's Day. Oh, well, happy Valentine's Day, Rain Spirit. Thank you. Um, I'm Maelstrom, by the way. Hello. Hello. Having a good day so far? Yes, very. Couldn't be any better when I have Spirit with me. Yeah. Hello, I'm Spectre. Hi. Hi. Happy Valentine's Day, you too. Thanks. Yeah. Do you know them? Yeah. Spirit and Rain. Legendary horses. They're actually stars. We are. Yes. You guys are. By the way, they're playing my movie. And so I grew from colt to stallion, as wild and reckless as thunder over the land. I see. Soaring with the wind. Flying, there were times I believed I could. So, Spirit, you're the main star, right? Yeah. And Rain's the, you could call me a side character, although I am important too. Yeah, she's the side character. But I am in the story, though. Yeah, you are. Oh, so you two are well known, eh? Pretty much so. Wow. So do you guys still feel safe in them boxes? Yeah, I mean, we can't get out anyway. I mean, we are collectibles, and we are pretty expensive. Buying both of us together, yeah, we are. Wow. Well, that's interesting. Yeah, a bit of knowledge for you. Well, not so much that, but just like a little notice. Ah, yes, a notice. Rain. Sorry. It's okay. Don't feel ashamed. I know we're not Valentine's horses, we're Halloween horses, but we like Valentine's Day. Yeah, what Spectre said. That's fine. As long as you guys don't pull anything shady. Yeah. Point taken. Oh, no, we're not like that. What was it, Peruvian Paso in the last video? Yeah, we did that a month ago. Yeah. I kinda saw the video. Sorry about that. He's, my brother. Wait, what? Yeah. I don't know why he took a liking to Rain, because she's clearly taken, but I'm sorry about that. For Valentine's Day, I'll make sure he stays away from you two. Thank you. Yeah, he was kind of creeping me out. Sorry about that, Rain. I can't control him sometimes. He is my brother, but an older brother. I see. Do you love him, though? Yes, very much so. If anything, I'd sacrifice my own life for him. Wow, that's deep. Yeah, but that's how it is with brotherly love, you know. Yes, I know. Hopefully you guys can relate. I kinda can. Me, not so much, because I've never had a family or anything. Okay, so you're just a rogue? Yeah, pretty much. Oh, okay. Kind of a sad backstory, but I'm not going to say it on Valentine's Day. Yeah, that's a smart move. Wait, you had a sad past? Unfortunately, yes. But I'm not going to say it today. Not on Valentine's Day. Okay. I won't ask then. Yeah, neither will I. I mean, who wants to hear something sad on Valentine's Day? Valentine's Day is a happy day. Spirits are right. Yeah, so we're not going to talk about it. Okay. Sorry, I don't have the best of balance. It's okay. Also, why do you guys have halters on? Oh, these, our human put it on us. You're human? Yeah. You guys probably would have been haltered too if you were out of the boxes. Oh god, please no. I don't like halters. Or ropes. Oh yeah, Spirit hates that. Yeah. So maybe you guys are best in the boxes. Just so you guys don't get haltered. Yeah, for everybody's sake, we might as well stay in here. Agreed. Well. Did you guys have anything planned for today? I would, if I wasn't in a box. Oh yeah, sorry, I keep forgetting about the box. I mean, you both are in boxes. Quite good-looking boxes, by the way. Thank you. It goes with our background. Ah, yes. Indeed it does. And how fitting to have the Spear movie going in the background. Let's just hope it doesn't get us copywritten. Yeah. But what if it does? I mean, a copyright, I guess, is okay as long as it doesn't get the channel or whatever taken down. Yeah, we're still kind of worried about that. Let's just hope. Anyways, stop talking about it and maybe it won't happen. Good point. Fair point, actually. Yeah. I can't balance. This bed is so unsteady. Okay, well. What are we gonna do now? Well, there's nothing else we can do. Not really, anyway. I'm just gonna say this right now. I'm not looking at you, Ryan. You're fine. I'm not looking at you. Okay, good. Thanks. I was actually staring off into space. Oh, really? Yeah, I have a tendency to do that. Don't we all? Yeah, I guess you could say that. Excluding me, I don't do that. Why? Is it because of the halter? Yeah. It kind of makes me pay attention all the time. I kind of know where I am, too. With this halter, I guess it's got some sort of power on me. Well, it doesn't on me. That's strange. Anyway. Spectre, let's go. Okay. See you later, you two. Later. Well, they seem nice. Yeah, especially the fact that they respect my boundaries. And the fact that I have a stallion already. Yeah, me. Yeah, exactly. I think for us, it's gonna be a good Valentine's Day. Even though we're in a box. Yeah. It's so easy to pretend that you're not in a box when you're in a box. Yeah, except you can't roam free. Instead, you're in a box. Can't really do much. True. Well, what else are we gonna do? We can't do nothing, actually. Fair point. Well, that was a heavy sigh. I know. Sorry. You're very apologetic. Yeah. I probably shouldn't be, but I am. Maybe try practicing not being apologetic at times. Okay, so does that mean I can still be apologetic sometimes? Yeah, but not all the time. It low-key kind of makes you look bad. No offense. No offense taken. It's just you being honest, right? Yeah, and somewhat brutally honest. That's fine. Anyway, I guess we can end it now. Okay. So be it. Yeah.